Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, I got more unusual options activity for you guys. Now, once again, guys, the information presented by Delta Rules and myself are for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. You must always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you don't know anything about options, I do have 3 courses down below that will explain to you how options work from top to bottom. And I also have a scanner video, a Thinkorswim scanner video, pretty much showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim. Now, guys, the first stock that we're going to be going into today, it's going to be DX. And this is Dynex Capital. They are a real estate investment trust. Now, I was going into this today, and I looked at the chart, and the chart looked good for what I wanted, for what I was actually trying to see. Let me look at the 6 month. It is trading a little bit below that 50 moving average. However, taking a look at the option time and sales, we can see that about 5,600 calls got traded today, and we can see that that call multiplier is really big, meaning that not that many calls trade for this stock, or not that many options trade for this stock. Now, taking a look at this is what called my attention right here. This is what caught my attention. Somebody came in at this time and put in a order for 5,000 of the 17.5 March 19, 2021 call. They got it right around the ask price. So that lets me know that they bought it. However, if I come over to the March 19th 17.5 call, which is right here, I could already see that someone was already in there with a big bet as well. And I see that the volume is less than that open interest, and it is a bit iffy. However, I just don't see anyone getting out of this options and getting filled at $50 if they wanted to sell it. I just don't see it happening. I really think whoever was in here added to their position, so they're putting 5,000 more options into their position. So this is really what I think they did. Only time will tell. The only real way that we're going to be able to tell if someone added to here is that if on Monday we see that this open interest is no longer 6,000 and it's 11,000, or 10,600, whichever the case may be. But I really think someone got into this. The volatility is real low. This option prices are really, really cheap. Looking at like the September 17th, if we come down here, we see that this prices are just really cheap. Even the June ones, they're charging between $10 and $25 for the 20 call, and that stock is at $17 right now. And just the fact that someone's making a big bet that this stock will go up lets me know that this looks like a good bet. It just looks like a good bet. It looks good to me. I like the way that chart is looking also. It is, of course, declining a little bit right now, which is what it needed because it has been on a tear up. So, I like that. I like seeing this. I like the fact that the volatility is not very high. So even if I get into one of these positions, it's going to be very hard for me to lose money because the volatility is just not high. And that's the main thing. Even if the stock goes down, I'm probably not going to lose too much money, even if I buy one of these, because once again, the volatility is just not there for me to lose money. So this is the first one that I wanted to bring up to you guys. The second stock that I have for you guys is going to be OIS. And they are in the business of producing oil. Pretty much, drillers, things like that. So I'm looking over this. Actually, let me take a look at the chart. I want to show you guys the chart, and you guys see that it has been going up for the past 6 months. It has a nice little bull candle in there, which I like. But if we look at the year, well, actually, no, this is the year. I'm sorry. So if we look at, let's say, the 3-year, we see that this stock was actually up at some point in time. Let me actually go a little bit deeper. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let's look at the 10-year. Let's look at the monthly. There we go. So 10-year monthly, we could see that this stock was very, very high at 65, started coming down, and now it looks like it's recovering because of all of the, all of the situation going on with the oil prices going up and things like that. As you guys can see, this is a stock that does gain quite a bit of volatility when the volatility needs to be there. As of right now, this stock, it's not trading too volatile. As you guys can see, the percentile is very low, so that lets me know that the volatility it's low. The 52-week volatility was between 56 and 832. It's at 98 right now, so it's on the lowest side of the actual 52-week implied volatility. So I really like that. Now coming down at the option chain here, I see that right away someone is making a big bet that by June 18th, 2021, this stock will go way past 7.5. Now, they did buy this in the money. As you guys can see, it's highlighted. So you guys can see that, they did purchase it in the money. However, we see more of these orders down here. If we take a look, all we see is calls. I don't have any filters, as a matter of fact. Nope, I don't have any filters. So we pretty much see calls being purchased in here. Look at this. This is a big sweep order right here. It's looking good for this stock, and it's not, once again, very volatile. And these are the type of stocks that I'm going to try to bring to you guys, because it's a risky market right now. And if you're just starting to trade options, this is actually what I want you guys to trade. Low volatility stocks that could break out at any point in time. This is a low volatility stock, even though you guys see that it's, it does look like it's a 98%. Quick secret, guys. If you ever look at the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price, and you look at the price, if that VWAP is not too far away from that price, that means that it's probably low volatility. Because that there's not too much volume to be able to actually make that VWAP go over that price. In this situation, this stock is trading below VWAP. VWAP is at 8.6. The stock is at 8.9, which lets me know that it's definitely some low volatility. It's very close, so it lets me know that there's low volatility. The percentile also lets me know that it's low volatility. If it's a low percentile, we can know that it's low volatility. If it's a high percentile, it's high volatility. And that percentile goes from 0 to 100. That's pretty much how that works. So I really like this play. I really like this. I really like the volatility. I really like where it's going because of all of the oil situation going on right now, where the oil prices are just getting higher and higher and higher. So this looks good for me, guys. I really like this play. I really like the other play that I also mentioned to you guys. They are both low volatility, so they are both low risk. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I had for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everybody that has been liking. Thank you so everybody that has been subscribing. Please keep on doing so, and I will keep on keep on dropping these videos for you guys. Well, thank you guys so much. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Love you guys.